Hello, and welcome! Today, we embark on a journey to a land where dreams take shape not in stone and mortar, but in clay and imagination. The United States, a land teeming with natural wonders, also harbors a surprising secret palaces. These are masterpieces sculpted in miniature, brought to life in vivid detail through the magic of claymation. Join me as we traverse this miniature landscape, exploring the grandeur of these architectural gems, each one a testament to the artistry and ingenuity of their creators. Get ready to be amazed as we shrink down to miniature size and step into a world where imagination knows no bounds. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Asheville, North Carolina, where nestled amidst the rolling hills lies the Biltmore Estate. In our world, it stands as America's largest private home, a monument to the Vanderbilt dynasty. But here, in the realm of claymation, it takes on a new life, its grandeur captured in miniature. Imagine, if you will, the painstaking detail, each brick, each window, meticulously molded in clay. The French Renaissance architecture, a testament to a bygone era, now recreated with an artisan's touch. Look closely, and you'll notice the way the light dances on the clay surface, mimicking the sun's rays glinting off the real Biltmore's windows. We swoop in for a closer look, past the manicured gardens, recreated here with miniature trees and flower beds bursting with color. The famous clock tower, a landmark in its own right, stands tall and proud, a testament to the clay sculptor's skill. Inside, the grand halls await. Imagine the hours spent recreating the intricate details of the banquet hall, the library with its thousands of miniature books, each one painstakingly crafted. It's a world in miniature, yet it feels as grand and awe-inspiring as its real-life counterpart. The Biltmore Estate, in its claymation form, exudes the same sense of history, grandeur, and timeless elegance as its real-life inspiration. So, let us linger a while longer, and marvel at this claymation masterpiece, a testament to the enduring allure of the Biltmore Estate. We leave the rolling hills of North Carolina behind and journey westward towards the rugged California coastline. Perched atop a hill overlooking the vast Pacific Ocean, Hearst Castle awaits. In the realm of claymation, its grandeur takes on a new dimension. The castle, a fusion of Spanish colonial and Mediterranean revival styles, seems to rise organically from the clay landscape. Imagine the meticulous work involved in recreating the castle's iconic Neptune pool, its turquoise waters shimmering under the claymation sun. We soar above the sprawling estate, taking in the intricate details. The Casa Grande, the main house, dominates the landscape, its towers and terraces meticulously recreated in miniature. Notice the play of light and shadow on the clay surfaces, mimicking the way the California sun bathes the real Hearst Castle in its golden glow. Inside, the castle's opulence unfolds before our eyes. Imagine the countless hours spent recreating the Grand Assembly Room, its vaulted ceiling adorned with intricate details. The dining room, with its long, clay-molded table set for a lavish banquet, speaks of a bygone era of extravagance. And there, amidst the miniature treasures, stands William Randolph Hearst himself, immortalized in clay. Each painting, each sculpture painstakingly recreated in miniature, a testament to the collector's discerning eye. In its claymation form, we see these aspirations come to life. As we leave Hearst Castle behind, we carry with us the memory of its claymation splendor. Our journey now takes us eastward, to the rolling hills of Delaware, where amidst a sprawling 1,000-acre estate lies the Winterthur Museum and Gardens. Here, in the world of claymation, time seems to stand still, preserved in miniature detail. Imagine, if you will, the meticulous work involved in recreating the museum's vast collection of American decorative arts. Each piece of furniture, each painting, each object art, painstakingly sculpted in clay, capturing the essence of early American craftsmanship. We wander through the claymation gardens, a riot of color and texture. Delicate flowers, sculpted with astonishing realism, bloom in miniature flower beds. Trees, their leaves crafted with intricate detail, stand tall, casting cool shadows on the meticulously manicured lawns. Inside the museum, we're greeted by a sense of history come to life. The rooms, each one a period piece, have been recreated with an eye for authenticity. Winterthur, in its claymation form, becomes more than just a museum, it's a portal to the past. As we leave Winterthur behind, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the artistry of the past, preserved in miniature in the world of claymation. Chapter 4: Palace of the Governors, a claymation journey to the southwest. Our claymation adventure now takes us westward once more, to the heart of Santa Fe, New Mexico, where the Palace of the Governors stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the American Southwest. Imagine the warm, earthy tones of adobe, recreated in clay, capturing the very essence of this historic structure. The palace, a long, low building stretching for an entire city block, seems to hug the earth, a testament to the architectural traditions of the Pueblo people. We stroll through the plaza, now recreated in miniature, bustling with life. Claymation artisans display their wares, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations. The air hums with the sound of traditional music, a melody that seems to emanate from the very clay itself. Stepping inside the palace, we're transported back in time. The cool, dim rooms whisper tales of Spanish conquistadors, Pueblo rebels, and the birth of a new nation. The Palace of the Governors, in its claymation form, becomes more than just a building. It transforms into a symbol of cultural resilience, a testament to the enduring legacy of the American Southwest. Chapter 5: Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a tropical paradise in clay. Prepare yourselves, for our next destination transports us to a place where European elegance meets tropical splendor. Welcome to Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, nestled on the shores of Biscayne Bay in Miami, Florida. But forget the shimmering waters and balmy breezes for a moment, for we're about to experience Vizcaya reimagined in the whimsical world of claymation. Picture this: intricate details of Renaissance and Baroque architecture meticulously sculpted in clay. The main house, a vision in pink stucco, stands proudly amidst lush greenery, its ornate facade a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship of our claymation artists. We drift through meticulously crafted gardens, our eyes feasting upon a vibrant tapestry of flora and fauna, all molded from clay. Delicate orchids bloom alongside sturdy palms, their leaves rustling gently in the imaginary breeze. Fountains, their waters frozen in clay, gurgle merrily, adding to the symphony of this miniature paradise. Venturing inside, we find ourselves amidst a treasure trove of European art and antiques, all painstakingly recreated in miniature. Each piece of furniture, from the plush velvet chairs to the gleaming marble tables, has been lovingly sculpted, a miniature masterpiece in its own right. Vizcaya, in its claymation form, becomes more than just a museum. It transforms into a portal to a bygone era of elegance and grandeur. Chapter 6: Leland Stanford Mansion, a claymation legacy of the Golden State. Our final stop on this claymation adventure through America's palaces takes us to the heart of California's capital, Sacramento. Here stands the Leland Stanford Mansion, a testament to the ambition and grandeur of the Golden State's early days. In the world of claymation, the mansion's Italianate architecture takes on a new life, its grandeur amplified by the meticulous detail of its miniature recreation. Imagine the hours spent recreating the mansion's intricate cornices, the delicate moldings around the windows, the stately columns supporting the entrance portico. We ascend the grand staircase, its marble steps recreated in clay, each swirl and vein painstakingly sculpted. The mansion's interior unfolds before us, room after room of Victorian splendor. The Leland Stanford Mansion, even in its claymation form, stands as a symbol of a pivotal era in California's history. It's a reminder of the dreams and aspirations that built the Golden State, a legacy preserved in miniature in the world of claymation. And so, our journey through the miniature world of America's most beautiful palaces, recreated in claymation, comes to an end. From the sprawling grandeur of the Biltmore estate, to the sun-drenched elegance of Vizcaya, we've witnessed the artistry and imagination that brings these architectural treasures to life in miniature. These miniature palaces, crafted with such care and attention to detail, remind us that even the grandest dreams can begin with the simplest of materials. Until our next miniature adventure, keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep your eyes open to the wonders that surround us, both big and small.